Let's explore some of the main themes. Unity and the role of the bishop. Ignatius strongly emphasized the importance of church unity and the central role of the bishop in maintaining this unity. He urged Christians to be united with their bishops, presbyters, and deacons, seeing the bishop as a representative of Christ, Eucharist, and sacramental life. Ignatius viewed the Eucharist as the medicine of immortality, essential for spiritual life. He believed that the sacraments were vital for maintaining a connection with Christ and the Church. Martyrdom and witness. Embracing his impending martyrdom, Ignatius saw it as a means to imitate Christ fully. He encouraged Christians to view martyrdom as a witness to their faith and a way to achieve union with Christ, Christology, and heresies. Ignatius combated early heresies, particularly Docetism, which denied Christ's humanity. He affirmed the true humanity and divinity of Jesus, emphasizing that Christ's suffering and resurrection were real. These letters provide a window into the organizational structure, theological debates, and spiritual life of early Christian communities. Ignatius's emphasis on ecclesiastical order and sacramental life profoundly influenced the development of Christian liturgy and theology.